Hello everyone, my name is Fatimah. Today we're going to learn about different formulas and multiplication, addition, and few of the word problems, okay? Let's get started. So let's see for the first formulas. On the top, write your name and today's date, okay? Let's do number 1. 12 minus 6 equals 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. What is 12 minus something equals 6? You don't have to think as hard, just see. It says 6 plus 6 equals 12. Then 12 minus 6 would be equals 6. Just think as simple as you can. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10 minus 6 equals 1. If you see the formula on the top, there's the 3 number, like same 3 numbers, and on the 2 formulas. Then on the last one, you just write the 1 number that's not on the formula right now. It's 4, right? So the answer is 4 for number 7. Let's try number 4. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Just find the number that is not on the third formula. That is on the first and second formula, but that's not on the third formula. It's 8, right? Oh, oopsie. Yeah, number 4, answer is 8. 10 minus 8 equals 2. So let's do the multiplication now. Okay, let's try number 2. 9 multiplied by 11 equals what? 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 9 equals 9. So answer is 99 for number 2. Let's do number 6. 6 times 8 equals what? 6 times 8. It's equals 48. And let's try number 20 for the last one in the multiplication. 12 multiplied by 5 equals what? 2 times 5 equals 10. 1 times 5 equals 5 plus 1 equals 6. 60 is answer for number 20. I think everyone all already know about like the addition and like multiplication. You guys are okay. But let's try like for practice. Let's try number 1. 65 plus 13 equals what? What is 5 plus 3 equals 8, right? 6 plus 1 equals 7. Answer for number 1 is 78. Let's try 3-digit and 2-digit for number 13. 210 plus 10 equals what? 0 plus 0 equals 0. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 just comes down, so answer is 220 for number 13. Let's also try for number 14. 123 plus 321 equals what? 3 plus 1 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 1 times 3 equals 4. Answer is 444 for number 14. Let's try last question of the addition part. Let's try number 10. Write the formula. When you guys are not sure, just write the formula of all the like the questions, okay? If you're like, oh, I'm good at this like section, like I'm good at multiplication or dividing or adding, subtracting, but however, you have to check your work. Like just don't use like only your head. You have to do your formula and check it if you're right or not. 78 plus 19 equals what? 8 plus 9 equals 17. And 7 plus 1 equals 8. But you have to add 1, so it answers 97. Yeah, and 97 is answer for number 10. Okay, now let's try the word problems. Sally has a total of 15 baseball cards to sell. She's able to sell 9 of the cards to Sammy. How many cards does Sally have left to sell? Okay, so Sally has a total of 15 cards to sell, but she's able to sell 9 of the cards to Sammy. How many cards does Sally have left to sell? So she only have to sell 9 of the cards to Sammy on the 15. Then you just have to subtract 9. Then 15 minus 9 equals 6. If you're not sure, just write the formulas like this. You can subtract from 5, like 9 from 5. Then you have to just borrow 1 here. 10 minus 9 equals 1 plus 5 equals 6, like this. Let's do number 2. Marcus 15 buttons. He buys 6 more from the store but loses 3 of them. How many buttons does he have left? Just write the numbers on the question. 15 buttons, but 6 more from the store. More equals adding, and loses 3 of them. Losing is subtracting, right? So this is the formula. You could just solve it like this, but if you're not sure, just write the formula again. 15 plus 6 equals, like you have to do this first. Then it's like 11, so you just put like this, 21. Right? Next up there, just write the formula again. Borrow this, 10 minus 3 equals 7, plus 1 equals 8. 1 just comes down, then 18. So the answer equals 18. You could just solve this like this 2 as 21, this as 18. Let's try last question, number 3. Johnny shares his candy evenly with his 16 friends at school. He has a total of 32 pieces of candy. So he had 32 pieces of candy, but he evenly shares with 16 of his friends. If he gives out all of his candy evenly to his friend, how many does each friend get? He said evenly to 16 friends. Evenly is like the dividing, right? To 16 friends. Then you just put dividing sign on 16. If you're not sure, write a formula again. 32, 5, 16. 16 times 2 equals 32. So answer is 2. All the 16 friends can get 2 of the candies. So thank you for watching the video. Please practice and try other questions I didn't try, so you can practice and get improve on your math. Thank you for watching this video again, and see you guys next week. Okay, bye everyone. Have a nice week and enjoy your weekend.